Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to record WhatsApp call. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to go to your mobile phone setting, and here you have to click on this social turbo icon. Here you have to click on this social turbo icon. After that you have to click on this top voice record. Here you can see you have to click on this voice record icon at the top. You have to enable this icon. Here you can see voice recorder. You have to enable this icon. After that you have to go to your. Now whenever you call anyone on WhatsApp, this social turbo icon will appear here, and you have to click on it and your WhatsApp call will start recording. Now here you have to click on this social turbo icon at the right, top right. In this way you can record a WhatsApp video call or audio call. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.